Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add read receipt in Outlook. So, what is a read receipt? It is the notification that someone has read your email. So, first of all, not all servers work with read receipt, so sometimes you won't get notification even when someone is going to read your email, so keep that in mind. And also to some servers, just the person to who you're sending this email is going to get another email that you're asking for a read receipt, and they can just click on this and send you a receipt that they have read this email, but also they can just click decline to not to send your read receipt, so they just won't click anything and you won't get the notification that they have read this email. And also there is an option called delivery receipt. So this option tells you if the email has got to the recipient or did not. So there are two ways of adding the read receipt, or maybe just one in the single way if you want to just add the read receipt to specific email, or if you want to get it to every time. So let's write an email really quick. So maybe this one, there I don't need a subject, I don't need anything right here. So if you want to add the read receipt, you want to go to the options, and now you have these two boxes: request a delivery receipt and also request a read receipt. So you just want to click on this one, make those checkboxes are ticked, and just click send. This is so really simple. But also, if you want to make it happen every time, you want to go to the file, which is in the top left corner, then go to the options, which is at the very bottom. As you can see, now I got the notification that my message has been delivered. So it works, as you can see. And also, if I open the email on another account on Outlook 2, okay, now I have just read this email. Let's see if we are going to get a notification, but let's go back to setting this to make it done automatically. So then you want to go to these options, and then where you wanna go is to mail. And then if you go down a little bit, here is some section called tracking. So as you can see, deliver add receipts help provide confirmation that the message were successfully received. Not all email servers and applications support sending receipts. As you can see, I've told you this earlier, and even Outlook is giving us this information. And as you can see, here are some options that for all messages sent, request delivery receipt or either the read receipt. You can select both of this right here, and also you can select that always send a read receipt, never send a read receipt, or just ask me each time whether to send a read receipt. So I will choose this option right here, because not every time I want to get a read receipt. and OK. And let's just now click OK. And now here is the notification, as you can see. Let's create a new email. Again, to the same recipient. No subject. And now let's just click send. And the Outlook didn't ask me about this, if I want to get a read receipt and deliver a receipt. This is very strange. Okay, maybe something went wrong. Let's check this out again. File, options. I got the notification. Then mail, then tracking. And I have selected this option, ask me each time whether to send a read receipt. Okay, this didn't show up, so maybe this option does not work. But yeah, these are the options that you can select. So this is it. This is how you can add a read receipt in Outlook. Thanks for watching. I hope this video will help you. If it did, please hit a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!